So here we have another behind the seat kit. There's another one to add to our list of behind the seat kits. So this one's for the N80 Hilux. So let's jump into it and check it out. So the N80's got quite a lot of space behind the rear seat, so it just allows us to be able to do quite a lot with it. So this one will actually come in 6 different options. So you can option different DC-DC chargers, an MPPT if you're after it, different shunt, whether you're after the Redarc or the Victron system, and then you can actually go for a 100 amp hour battery or the 200. So this one's on the higher end of the kits that are available because it's the 200 amp hour battery. It's got the optional MPPT, and it's got the Orion and then the Victron Smart Shunt there. So we've kind of grouped the behind the seat kits together in what kind of makes sense to have the components together. So your cheapest option is going to be the 100 amp hour battery. It'll be the core 25 charger, that's the Redarc charger, and then it'll be the Victron Smart Shunt. But then you can obviously opt for the Redarc Smart Shunt, but then we think, well, if you're going to go the Redarc one, then ideally you're probably going to have the Alpha because they're going to have both have apps. So that's why we'll kind of group those together. Otherwise, we kind of try to keep the cost down. So that's why we go for the Victron Shunt with a Redarc charger if it doesn't have the Bluetooth ability, so it's not the Alpha. It's just your classic or option. And then you can obviously option in the MPPT, which is a Victron MPPT. So that's why there's a few different options on this one, because we just have so much flexibility, how much room there is behind the actual seat on the N80s. So it's pretty handy. So we'll just run from top from bottom. So it's got the Egon DC hub there, so you're able to just add in any extras that you're after. Makes it super simple for adding on any extras in the future. And then next to that will be where the DC-DC is, or the BC-DC if you go for the Redarc one. So it's just got a few different holes there you can see pre-drilled, so it'll work for any of those chargers. And then just below that's the battery, so it'll be either 100 or the 200 option. And then you've just got the Smart Shunt just next to that. And then located next to that is the MPPT, that's the optional extra from Victron, and then below that is your mega fuse holder. So the benefit to this as well is it does have the twin, so you can add another mega in there to run an inverter. So if you want to run a 2000 watt inverter, you can easily do that by just going straight onto that mega fuse there, and then being able to put it either under the seat, or there's a little bit of a space next to this behind the seat as well, if you chose to option it there. Then it's also just got your solar input here, because on the N80s, the seat is actually fixed into position. It doesn't fold down like most rear seats. We give this on a bit of a lead, and then you can put it underneath the bottom of the seat, so you fold the seats up, and then that's where you'll get to it. Typically we have it on the outside there because you'll fold your seat down and plug in, but because that's not an option for the N80, that's why we've gone for this option here. So you can just put that underneath the bottom of the seats, and then you just lift that up and you can plug your solar blanket straight into that. So it also just uses all your factory holes just to mount it all, so you don't have to worry about drilling anything. You'll just use the factory points, and you just bolt straight in. So it makes it super simple to be able to actually install, and it's just got the little cutout there for the vent, so you don't have to stuff around with too much. It'll just bolt straight in, so it makes it nice and easy and simple to chuck it in. The only things that probably just don't really change depending on the model you get is you'll get the Egon will stay the same, and the mega fuse hole will stay the same, and then the rest of the stuff is optional, like your DC-DC, MPPT, shunt, and the battery. But apart from that, those two will stay the same, and then what you want to do after that is completely up to you. So if you are interested in it, you can obviously just head over to our website and you can check out all the different versions available. You can get some more information there, or if you're after any more information, just contact us, and yeah, we can help you out.